Decentralized finance, or DeFi, was built on the promise of an open, transparent financial system, free from traditional gatekeepers. Blockchains are secure digital ledgers, but they can't access real-world information on their own. This digital isolation is great for security, but it limits DeFi's usefulness. Enter oracles, the digital bridges that connect blockchains to real-world data. Oracles fetch, verify, and deliver external information, like asset prices or weather data, so smart contracts can react to real events. Without oracles, DeFi protocols couldn't function. Lending platforms, stablecoins, and insurance all depend on accurate, timely data. For example, a lending protocol needs to know the real-time value of collateral to manage loans and liquidations. Oracles are the protocol's eyes and ears, constantly feeding in critical information. But this creates a new challenge: trust. Blockchains are designed to be trustless, but oracles introduce a point of centralization. If an oracle is compromised or makes a mistake, the consequences can be catastrophic. The entire security of a protocol can hinge on a single data provider. This vulnerability is now seen as DeFi's Achilles heel. The question isn't just how to build better protocols, but how to secure the data that powers them. In DeFi, the bridge to the real world is both its greatest strength and its greatest risk. DeFi protocols are only as secure as the data they receive. When oracles provide false information, whether by attack or error, smart contracts act on a distorted reality. Attackers can exploit inflated or deflated prices to drain liquidity pools or manipulate stablecoins. In 2024 alone, oracle manipulation led to over $1.2 billion in losses across DeFi. These aren't isolated incidents. They're systemic shocks that can wipe out entire protocols and devastate users. When a protocol is drained, it's everyday users who lose their savings. Each high-profile exploit erodes trust, scares off new users, and destabilizes the entire ecosystem. A single compromised oracle can bring down everything built on top of it. The risks of oracle exploits became real for Moonwell in November 2025, when a simple configuration error led to over $1 million in losses. A faulty price feed with outdated settings let attackers manipulate asset prices, borrow against inflated collateral, and drain the protocol. Moonwell had Bodyman suffered a similar attack before, showing that failing to secure data feeds invites repeat disasters. On Solana, the network speed creates new challenges. In April 2024, attackers exploited fast transaction finality to manipulate oracles and steal $5.8 million in under-collateralized loans from Loopscale. The attack happened so quickly that security systems couldn't react in time. As blockchains get faster, oracle security must evolve even faster. These cases show that both technical flaws and rapid environments can be exploited in seconds. The lesson: securing oracles is a moving target, and the cost of failure is massive. The most common attack is direct price manipulation. Attackers target protocols using insecure oracles that pull data from low liquidity exchanges. With a flash loan, they can swing prices, trick the oracle, and drain funds, all in one transaction. Flash loans let attackers risk millions with no upfront capital, making exploits fast and cheap. Another vulnerability is poor access control. If attackers compromise admin keys, they can feed any price they want to the protocol. These breaches often start with phishing or social engineering, targeting those who manage the oracles. Oracle security isn't just about data sources, it's about protecting the people and systems behind them. After billions in losses, DeFi is racing to build more resilient oracles. Decentralized oracle networks like Chainlink and Chronicle aggregate data from many sources, making manipulation harder and more expensive. Advanced cryptography now proves data authenticity, adding another layer of security. Protocols are adopting best practices: multi-source verification, faster data updates, and stricter deviation thresholds. Real-time monitoring and automated alerts are now standard, with security firms like BlockSec and PeckShield watching for suspicious activity. If a large flash loan or odd price movement is detected, protocols can pause operations to prevent losses. The goal: make oracles as trustless and decentralized as the blockchains they serve. Security is no longer an afterthought, it's a core requirement. The industry is learning that robust oracle design is essential for DeFi's survival. The future of DeFi depends on closing the gap between code and reality. Users aren't powerless. Protecting your assets starts with research. Don't chase high yields blindly. Check which Oracle providers a protocol uses and whether it's been audited by reputable firms. A transparent project with strong security measures and a clean history is far safer than one that cuts corners. Diversify your investments across protocols and blockchains to limit potential losses from a single exploit. Use monitoring tools to track your assets and set alerts for unusual activity. Stay informed and ready to act if something goes wrong. Security in DeFi is a shared responsibility. Developers build safer systems, but users must stay vigilant. By demanding higher standards and understanding the risks, we can all help build a safer, decentralized future.